In the last 3 years, the world has changed. Artificial intelligence has become the most powerful tool in human history. For the field service trade business, there was not a purpose-built, out-of-the-box, inexpensive AI solution until now. Today, we are super proud to announce the release of Simpro Lightning. At the heart of an operating platform for the trades is the Simpro field service management product that all of you have been using for years and years and years. First and most important aspect of our platform is its brain. That's the AI engine. And what the brain does allows us to innovate so much faster and produce so much more functionality, so many more bug fixes, so many more enhancements in such a short period of time that your field service experience is exponentially improved. The second thing the brain gives you is the operator. The operator is called Just Ask. Just Ask is your virtual chief operating officer, where you can literally, in natural language, which means your voice, ask anything and give you the answers. And store your answers and store your reports for future use. The third thing is the intelligence for us to continue to provide and build you with agents. There's our field-ready agent, our training and onboarding agent. Job ready, it's a job prep agent. Job scribe is our documentation agent. And then finally, the job brief summarizes it. What you're seeing in Lightning is just the beginning. Lightning is accelerating everything that we're doing for you and your business, and we're just very grateful that you're giving us this opportunity